calendar spreads can be like a chakravyuh. You can easily enter, but can be quite challenging to manage, expand, adjust, and properly exit. In my previous video, we had discussed important basics of calendar spreads. If you have not seen it, please click on the link on the top and go through it. In this video, we will be talking about how to choose the trade, how to increase the width of the profitable area, few rules and guiding principles for setting up the trade, when to adjust the trade, how to adjust the trade, and when to exit. All those things are really important. And then we will see one backtesting also, complete backtesting, wherein we are able to fulfill our targets or not. So welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. So in this video, I will be starting with a slow calendar spread so that least adjustments are required and still we are able to reach our profit targets. So I have selected a monthly setup. We will be following up with some rules, some basic principles on how to set up the trade. Monthly means basically you are selling a monthly call or put, and then you are buying next month call or put. Now basically we want the trade to be very wide enough so that even if the market makes a move of 300-400 points in any direction, I am not required to do an adjustment. That is the basic beauty of slow calendar spreads, monthly. In case there is a wild move, yes, we will make an adjustment. But in case there is no big move of the market, I will just take my profit and get out of the trade. So to get the wider range in calendar spread, what we have done a OTM call calendar as well as an OTM put calendar. So it becomes a double calendar. What is the benefit of this double calendar? Is that my profitable zone width becomes very wide. I'm getting a range of, let us say, more than 1500, 1600, 2000 points, within which if market moves, there is not going to be any problem. We have seen the calendar spread payoff diagram. There is a profit tent, and if that profit tent is breached, there are two break-even points. If the profit tent is breached, obviously we require to do some adjustments because this is not a zero risk strategy. This can give a decent loss also. So we must be very carefully watching the calendar spreads during the market. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and let us move to stock mock for doing a backtesting. So what we are doing, we are trying to do a July-August calendar. Again, July we will be selling, August we will be buying. So we said 35 to 40 days to expiry. A quick update, our next calendar spread workshop is happening on May 24th. I'll share full details at the end of this video, or you can check the description below. Let's continue. So what I have done, I have gone to June 23rd. If you can see my cursor, June 23rd. On June 23rd, I will try to do July-August calendar. I will try to see where is the market, 24,860. What I will try to do, I will go to some round number, maybe OTM 25,500. If I see 25,500, it is having a premium of 201 rupees. Let us select this. We will sell this. Similarly, on downside, because we want to create call calendar as well as put calendar, both will be out of the money. I will go and choose 24,500, which is again 300-400 points below. So I'll sell this also. So 28th August I have chosen here on the left hand side, and again I will go to the same strike price. The call strike price is 25,500. So I go to 25,500. I will buy this. And put strike is 24,500, and I will go back and try to buy 24,500. Hopefully liquidity is there. I have purchased this. Right, let us hide this so that it becomes easier. So what we will do, we will see how much margin is required. Margin required is 1.43 lakhs, and I will be very happy if I get somewhere close to 1.5 to 2% in this trade. Let us now see straightaway end of the day what has happened. End of the day, nothing much change in the market, and as of now the trade is not giving us any profit also. Let us now go next day. 30 minutes I will do. See my cursor here, 30 minutes. So next day when the markets opened, or at around 9:45, the trade is giving me already 0.3% profit. Let us see when the adjustment will be required, or if adjustment is not required and I am able to achieve my 1.5%, I will not do the adjustment. Again, I'll go to end of the day. Market is still within that profitable range. I am still making some 0.2% profit, which is okay. Again, I will do it by 30 minutes. Market is still within range. This is the beauty of slow calendars, monthly calendars. Again, next day I am making 0.4%. Has market gone outside my tent? I don't think so. It's still okay. I'm very much comfortable. Market is at 25,346 and my range is 25,917, which means 600 points. On downside, I'm having almost 800 points. This end of day, see, the market has made a big move. It is touching my call calendar. My call calendar is 25,500 and market is touching that. But again, we will not do anything because I'm safe up to 25,917. So no worry. But yes, if you see, my put is just 82 rupees. My call is 442 rupees. This is not good. This is not good because in case market goes up, my put calendar is not going to give me any protection and my call calendar can become negative for me. As of now, I am still making 0.6%. If I am scared of this kind of a trade, I can exit 0.6% in, let us say, 4-5 days. But let us learn the adjustment also. So what I will do, I will scare off this put calendar. Now, if you see, once I have scared off the put calendar, obviously it's a very good call calendar, but I want a better range. So I will again go to option chain. I will create a put calendar which is on a higher side. So earlier put calendar is 24,500. Market has crossed 25,500. Let me go and create something like 25,000. Okay. Now I have a better calendar. My upper range has slightly increased. On put side also, I have a decent amount of money. I am already 0.6% plus. In case my call calendar, which is at 25,500, gets breached by more than 150 or 200 points, let us say market goes 25,700, somewhere here, then only I am going to touch my call side of the calendar. Otherwise, I am continuing. So let's move ahead. 30 minutes. No, nothing has happened. I am making 0.8%, which is quite impressive. If you see, we have traded only for 3-4 days. Let's see, end of the day, market has moved up slightly. It has gone to 634, but still I am okay with that. Let's move and see what happens. Next day, 30 minutes. Okay, market is still there and I am making 0.6%. Everything is okay. Put is still having a lot of juice. Call is for it, but you see, even if the market has gone up, it is the call side which is giving us a lot of profit. End of the day, market has gone down towards 500 again, which is good for us. Yes, so we are making 1%. So July month has not even started. We are already 1% plus in the trade. A conservative trader like me would definitely quit at 1.5%. Let us see. Next day, 2nd July. Again, market there only. I'm making now 1.1% of the capital deployed, which is quite good. End of the day, let us see. End of the day, market has come down. I am still making 1%. It's not that, okay, if I am entering the center of the calendar, things will be better. No, it all depends how weeks is behaving, how weeks of July is behaving. And accordingly, the calendar is giving us some profit or increase in profit or reduction in profit. Next day. Let us see, I'm waiting that do I need to do an adjustment? No. 3rd July, 9:45, no adjustment, still okay. End of day, let us see. Oh, it is coming back in the center of the payoff diagram. Nothing to be done. Now I'm making 1.4%. Now this is a decision I must take that, okay, I am at 1.4%. It is just beginning of the month. I have other setups now. I can trade in other setups to increase my profits. Not necessarily this setup has given its value, right? So I can close. That is one of the options, but just to learn, let us see, can we get slightly more, which is the greed part now entering into the system. 30 minutes. Okay, still there only, and market is very well within our calendar spread. Nothing to worry. That is the benefit of long range candle. Let us say end of the day. End of the day also, nothing has changed. Everything is same. Next day, I am looking for an opportunity to adjust. No, not required. Let us see end of day if I can get better. Yes, 1.9%. So this is where we should definitely close this trade, because now From here onwards, it can be much more profitable. Don't see this that okay, 11% profit is available and we are just taking around 2% and exiting. No, that should not be the scenario. What we should do, so next 15-16 days, I can definitely see into other setups which can fetch me another 1 or 2%. So this is very important. You should not be forcing the trades. You should not be sitting in the trades till end. Just make your profit and get out of the trade. So hopefully you must have understood how these setups can be played very smartly. Calendar spread is a strategy which can be used independently for decent profits. Plus, it is a great adjustment tool to be used in combination to other strategies also. Even strangles and straddles when they get stuck up. Even it can be used in combination with iron condor and iron fly also. So this is one of the most important tool in our kit. We are conducting a calendar spread workshop on 24th of May from 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. online. We will be sharing the strategy, its logic, break-even points, and most importantly, the adjustments framework. To make the usage of the strategy very clear, we will also discuss 12 months of backtesting. If you wish to join, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. There are definitely discounts for participants who have joined our iron fly workshop or iron condor workshop. If you have joined both the workshops, you will get 50% discount. Details are given in the description also. I'm leaving you with another interesting video on option trading strategies and adjustments. Hope you will like it. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button. All our subscribers are very, very precious to us. Thank you. See you in the next video.